This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the Pitaka MagEZ juice and the mag case for iPhone 11 Pro Max and the mag case for iPhone XS Max. So we like the design already. It's a very cool box as well. Nice and sturdy for shipment. So this is wirelessly charging gear for your iPhones. This piece here comes out and then in. And the base unit works in conjunction with the piece we just took out. So this is the here. So, and then you take this piece here, and now we have some things on the back, so we'll just quickly remove that. And then it starts charging. And then you can attach units up here for wireless charging. So this comes with you. It's a power bank. A lot.